What up? My name is Gio Lara. I drive a R34 GTR.
This actually recording.
28 with a plasma band. Got a Precision 66, 62 in it. Fast. It's making about 1,200 horsepower. It's got a OS Gaikin dog box 6-speed transmission.
8-speed.
No, 6-speed. 6-speed. Yes, it recorded all that. People are gonna think I'm retarded. Yep.
But hey, make sure you get that on it. Hey, no, hey, put that as your intro.
I will.
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Okinawa. Today, on this episode, we have a random pop-up night meet that I put together because a very special person is here in town, and we want to show him a good time. A lot like the time I threw together that Tuesday night meet for salmon. It's another one of those. So, sit back, relax, enjoy the cars. Let me know which one down in the comments is your favorite. I think I know which one it's going to be.
In the parking lot.
Come on. Denshi. Looking like a whole snack. We got Michaela reading her book, having a truly, chilling. We got this beautiful Acura NSX owned by Audi himself. This thing is absolutely amazing. Oh, God. Let's just do a quick walk around here. This is phenomenal. What's up, boy? Amazing. Got the man, Tony. Say hi, buddy.
Hey, you caught me.
There's gonna be a cam back tonight. I swear he's gonna do some cool stuff. I think.
This is for my OnlyFans. My OnlyFans Pornhub channel. You know what I'm saying?
Drop the link. What's your YouTube channel?
T-Lacone.
T-Lacone. Look at him just standing still. Got Jose's R34 GTT. He actually just did something super cool to it. Let's take a look at this fair lady real fast while we walk around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not here for you, Gio. I'm showing the world.
The camera's gonna take your soul, run away.
Oof. What's that, everybody?
Customize, brand new.
What is that?
Yeah, Tome.
Is that a Tome Extreme TI exhaust for the R34 GTT? Oh my God, man.
4-door?
There's the man, the myth, Gio.
Oh my God.
The one and only.
I'm like, this thing here is fucking loose. They got me lying on camera.
This is dope. Michaela can't even watch my videos because she can't like watch it. It's like she gets motion sickness because it's so fucked up. So I bought this to hopefully make the load a little better.
Nice. Hopefully that works.
It does. It's super nice. Chaser with the super deep dish wheel. My God.
Get that big baby in those.
Oh yeah, custom wide body. He's got the stuff to make it stay. Next to the S15. I've never seen a car like this before. They call this the S15 Type S for box. What's up, bro? Got an Altezza with a Massachusetts plate. Whose is this? This is Haggerty's S15. You guys have seen it on the channel a million times. One of my favorites.
Have you seen the dash yet?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. If you guys don't know, that is an Haltech IC7. I love it, man. Super cool. 1,487 out of like 1,800 of them ever made. Something like that. It is an Autech. You guys have heard me say that a bunch of times. That just means it's a cool version. Turbo swapped.
Very turbo swapped.
Oh yeah. It's a quick boy. We love it. GC8. Blobeye SCI. Blue GC8. I love the blue, man. One of my favorite colors. Got the Chaser. Look at this friggin' beast. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Got the butts. Oh yeah. It's like it follows my body. It's weird. Jerry's GT2. Got some hood rat going on. Let's go take a gander. Why not? Ethan's Sunny truck. He's done a ton to this. We've covered it before. He used to have the blue wheels on it, but now, very nice. He's done the entire interior. He did the bed. He got it painted. One of the nicer Sunnies on the island. He actually takes care of this thing, man. He's done a lot of good work to it. Baby Supra with big Supra spoiler. I love it. Jesus Christ. That's absurd. Look at this thing. Oh my God. The cappuccinos. Crowd favorite. Everyone freaking loves these things, man. It's so absurd. The Crown wagons.
Yeah, it's still going. Oh yeah, because it's aftermarket grill. Yeah, see it mounted in this stand. Yeah, I don't have that.
Both 1J turbos.
I take it off.
Tim's R32 GTR. Tim's R32 GTR.
My sacrifice is I didn't.
There's the man of the hour. Look at what I got.
How you doing?
Good. How's it going, buddy?
That's a $70,000 S2K. It's a CR.
Yeah. Well, here's the man we've been waiting for right here.
Right here.
Kyle
right here.
Johnson.
You're all welcome.
Oof. Amazing.
Nah, look at
Oh,
that right
I
there.
love it, dude. I
Don't
have
show
a...
this to the millennials, am I right? Okay. Yeah.
Only Gen Zs
Oh yeah,
could
Gen
imagine
Zs.
this.
Don't show this to the Gen Zs. Whatever the newly speaking.
I'm triggered right now.
I can tell by the mustache.
DJI ours.
Hi, Dottie. All the Tuesday nighters are coming out.
Yeah. That. That thing sounds awesome.
It does. I just like the meat on the back tires.
I know. I saw those too.
Look at the beef on the back. Oh my God. And this is the man of the hour. In this Honda S2000 CR.
Let's see what he has under the hood.
I know, dude. Oh no! Oh. Tony. Oh yeah.
Wow, that's super nice.
Welcome to the island, bro.
Thanks, man.
My name's Ara. Good to meet you.
Ara, nice to meet you. Same name as my sister, actually.
No.
ARA.
Yeah.
Oh,
No
yeah.
way.
Yeah. Well, her full name's Arabelle, but
Oh,
yeah, we
well.
call her Ara.
There's a bunch of Latin names that they just call them Ara. Very simple, very easy.
Is it a Latin name?
Nope, Armenian actually.
Armenian. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Armenian.
There's a lot of folks here.
On a Wednesday, we do what we
Yeah,
can.
yeah.
A lot of people don't usually come out till a little later.
Mhm.
I just wanted to make sure that a lot of the local guys could come out as well because
Nice.
we have a lot of these on base. And
Okay.
When we do it on base, only so many people can come. So every like 2 or 3 events, we like to do it off base so our local friends can come out
Nice.
and actually enjoy it as well. You know, I just bought this off Kyle.
Oh, you bought it off Kyle? Actually?
Yeah, literally just bought this off Kyle. All right, everybody, man of the hour. We got Albo.
Hey, guys.
How you liking the island so far, bro?
Oh, man, it's awesome. The weather's great. Food is great. It's like this area is like this weird mix of Japan and America.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like one of those Marvel multiverse movies, like Enter the Spider-Verse, where like Japan basically crashes with like LA. And
Yep.
it's like this, you know, it's like I'll be driving down the street, everything's in Japanese, and suddenly on the road it says, slow down, in English.
Exactly.
And I'm like, that's so weird.
It is.
Yeah.
What do you think about all this? All this stuff going on over here. All these cars on a Wednesday evening, bro.
It's fascinating, actually. I'm actually still trying to piece together my words like for my own video, which hopefully pops up on YouTube at some point. But you know, I guess first thing I can say is like I can really feel that everyone who's come here, who's from, you know, from America, is like really excited to be here and really excited to be able to be part of this community. And I think that's really cool.
Yeah.
And the other cool thing is like there's a lot of like Japanese folks as well who are also kind of excited to be able to, through cars, meet a lot of different people from the base. So
Absolutely.
It's the internationalization aspect is beautiful.
Absolutely. Well, I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much.
No worries, no worries.
Why is mine 500? Oh, man.
Hi. I have a stick.
Yes, definitely my
Let me go. David Soar. One of my favorites. Tim's 32 GTR. You guys probably remember this guy. Seen him on my TikTok too, actually. This is Matt's RX-7. It's a Koki. Honestly, dude, I love it. It's very difficult to get used to, but now that I did this, it's much better. It's just so cool how you can just like point it at stuff and it doesn't shake, rattle, and roll. Mike's beautiful Evo. God, I fucking love this thing. It is so nice. Nice crown. The GTR killer.
As good as last year. She's dirty. When they
Always.
and they take everything apart, and then the wheels.
And the Celica.
I
Dude, this is gonna be sick, bro.
T28s. When are you getting new wheels?
Did you just wash them?
No, I haven't washed it in like.
It's the rain, homie.
Yo, babe, why are you matching my wheels?
When are you getting new wheels?
Babe, when am I getting new wheels? Love you. Baby, I know that you will never watch this, so I just want to say I love you. And I love this S15 swapped front end. I mean, wait, hold on. S15 swapped front end, S14. Dope. Oh, me dead? Oh, whole thing's been gutted. Wonder what she does. I wonder.
I wonder how fast these.
Huh?
Yeah, definitely gets it sideways.
Probably. Maybe. Maybe. Shit's... Whoa! What the f did you do?
What is that?
What did you do?
I got a little too aggressive on the tailgate.
What are those?
I got a little too aggressive.
Look at the wheel, look at the wheel, look at the wheel, look at the wheel.
Oh my god.
Just look at it.
No, stop pointing at the fucking wheel, too.
Oh!
I'm sorry.
We tried drifting this.
You did that one day, but you missed a whole bag of dirt.
Okay, wait.
But that was you.
That's getting removed.
Yo, he's saying that I missed the whole bag of dirt.
2, 3. And the gender reveal. You went for it though. Boom. You went for it. Oh, sorry. Leave that out. Yeah.
Well, let's go. Albo, go ahead and start recording, bro. Oh, God. I should have warned you, baby. Hey, that dead cat though. Yeah. Oh yeah. What do you think, man?
I feel like I should have been standing over there.
That dude shoots like 6-foot flames out of an RX-7. It's amazing.
All right, you're next.
Hey, I want to show you one of my best friends right here, Jose.
How's it going, Albo?
Hey, Jose,
Good to
nice
see
to meet
you.
you, man.
Yeah, watch a lot of your videos. I wish you brought Masa out here. That would have been
All
dope.
right.
Yeah, I know. I talked to Kyle and he said he's coming, so hopefully I can interact with you guys and meet him.
Right here we see a wild Jose with one of his greatest celeb fans, bro. Brother, can you hold this for a second? I hear Crack Haggerty's back. Get over here.
Oh God, this feels expensive. Wow, it's cool. Wow, this thing feels cool.
Huh?
This thing feels cool.
Dude, it's so cool.
Thank you.
It is.
You recorded my car in the last video, but I got like wheels now.
Oof.
Yeah, follow Godzilla _R34. Follow me, Masa. Follow me. I'd like to talk to you. Thanks, Alba.
He's so happy.
Yeah, I literally just watched the last one last night, then I heard Alba's gonna be that. Dude, I just watched that video.
He literally started fangirling. He did. Looking across at his eyes. No, it wasn't.
See what the old dad wagon
The dad wagon. Dude, it sounds so much better now. Oh, okay. I love this thing. This is the coolest invention in the world.
No more motion sickness videos.
No more motion sickness videos. She has no excuse but to watch my videos now.
What's up?
Tell me, how do you feel about tonight, sir?
Oh, you know what? I think it's pretty great and all, but I wish these hoodlums would stop going around with their wild cards. Tell you what.
Bomb bug.
Bomb bug. You guys want to be?
You already have your outro.
No, that was the intro.
Oh, are you really gonna put that as intro?
Yeah. All right, guys. Wednesday night meetup. We got Albo here. We got the boys. Everyone came out. Thank you so much for enjoying the video, guys. Meet me next time. Have a good night. Peace. This shit gets heavy, bro. Here. Here.
Oh yeah.
Like, just hold it for like a minute. Just watch.
Like hold it.
Yeah. Like, even like do some of this. Like, just like get down, put it in the red zone. You know what I'm saying? Flex those big bulls. You know
Can I borrow it for my OnlyFans? That's a good quality.
For you? I can get real in between.
All right, that sounds good. You can be part of it too.
I will.
I hope you get that part when I just picked my nose and just walked off.
Did you?
Yeah, I just went like this. I'm like, all right, man.
All right, guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for Albo for coming out. I fucking suck at this. Now I'm all nervous. He's all standing behind me and shit.
We're all judging you.